What's up guys, Big D Wiz, oldschoolstare.com. Got a package today in the mail, actually from the Ups man. And I don't know what's inside, so I'm going to open it and we're all going to find out together. So I apologize in advance for the audio because I don't have my wireless mic hooked up. We're just going to do the best we can with what we have. See what's inside this bad boy. Got lots of protective, very protective bubble wrap. That's cool. Protective bubble wrap. Lots of protective bubble wrap. So hey, wonder what's in here. I don't want to mess it up, whatever it is. So let's use the other knife. Oh man, check that out. Oh, the suspense. Oh man, that is awesome. You guys see that? Let me lower it down. Can you see that? Wow. I love it. I love it. That is sweet. Okay. We got some more goodies in here too. We got a Rockford hat, my big old head. We've got a koozie, Rockford koozie. We got a patch. Get my wife to, whoops, you guys did not see that, but it fell right through the freaking cracks here on my dang deck. Look at that, disappeared. I had to go get it. Fell under the bottom, I'll go get it in a minute. We got a t-shirt. Yes sir. 3XL for Big D, because Big D is the big boy. And we got even more stuff in here. Check this out. Bottle cap opener. And looks like we've got one of the latest buyer's guides 2014. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. More stickers. Very, very cool. Thank you, Rockford. Thank you, Eric at Rockford, for throwing this together for me. Greatly appreciated. That right there is what I'm talking about. That's going to go up in my shop. And you guys will see this again. Yes, you will. You'll see it again soon. Thanks again, Rockford, for sending me the little care package. And until next time, this is Big D Wiz. I'm out of here.